So there are a couple of changes happening at Wayfair, and I wanted to just jump on and make a quick video to make sure that everybody understood what's been going on. So Wayfair over the several years have had different incentives and ways for suppliers to participate in their daily sales and to try and encourage participation. So one of these, and the most recent one, has been the PSD, or the preferred supplier discount. Well, Wayfair has decided that to phase this program out because they've learned that it's not as effective and profitable as some other things. So for those of you who have had your PSD, make sure you reach out to Wayfair so that you can discontinue that. And as you know, the standard agreement was a 10% discount on all products that were chosen for their daily events. Now, what Wayfair has found is that the daily events were not as effective as an everyday low price. So what we are recommending for RSG sales clients is to make sure you end your PSD and then take 5% off of your everyday pricing. And this will also help you with your major holiday promotions. So when it comes to major holiday promotions, Wayfair is being much more aggressive. They're really kind of going more for a 15% discount and ask for suppliers. So when you are given the opportunity to participate in a major holiday promotion and to opt in, you need to make sure you go to Accelerant Hub and either opt in or out, or change the pricing if you want to decline theirs and recommend something else. But again, if you have just taken the additional 5% and applied it to your everyday low price, you're going to get a bump in the algorithm, and you've given yourself a little bit more breathing room to participate in those major holiday promotions. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, whether it is about PSDs, major holidays, pricing in general with Wayfair or any other internet retailer. Please don't hesitate. Go to rsgsales.com, click one of the buttons that says schedule a call. We'd love to talk to you. All right, have a great day and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye.